Hi, I'm Chief Meteorologist Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at your weather week ahead here on ArklateXHomepage.com as well as the ArklateXHomepage.com app. And looking at the weather pattern, you can see the large upper level ridge centered right over the top of the Arklatex right now. That's one reason why temperatures today and tomorrow probably will flirt with 100 degrees over parts of the Arklatex here. Pretty good disturbance over the northern sections of the country, not going to make any progress to the south. Another disturbance behind it entering the Pacific Northwest, also not going to be a player in our weather picture. In fact, show you how those systems will move across the country. You can see that ridge actually is going to expand towards the east, and it is going to prevent those disturbances from moving more towards the south. But the good news is, by the time we get to Monday, we will see this system, actually Tuesday, we'll see the center of that ridge centered more over the east coast, over Virginia and North Carolina. Because of that, we will see, first of all, temperatures ease back from the upper 90s to near 100. That's on the docket here for today as well as for Saturday. And it also will give us just a slight chance for the stray shower thunderstorm, which could return to the forecast here. You can see the streamlines, a little bit of a southeasterly component. That may be enough to allow the hit or miss storm to return to our weather picture for much of next week. But keep in mind, rainfall chances going to be very, very slim. Speaking of low rainfall chances, looking at Robin's Toyota Futurecast, you can see tonight we are going to be looking at a south wind, so temperatures not quite as mild as we've seen recently, and we're going to be looking at a mostly clear sky. Tomorrow, expect a mix of clouds and sunshine. That south to southeasterly wind will continue, and we will not see anything as far as rain. We stay mostly clear tomorrow night with that south wind continuing, and then for Sunday, we close the weekend with a cloud-sun mix. Notice a little bit of rain off to the east of the Arklatex, and perhaps Monday we might see some of that possibly develop over parts of our area. But again, most of us more than likely will stay dry for much of the week ahead. As far as rainfall potential, this is one model's depiction taking out several days here. I believe this is going to go out through Tuesday, and you can see that the model here not showing a whole lot now through Tuesday. A few pop-up cells over the eastern sections of the area mainly. 1/10 of an inch or less is what you might expect. The rest of us probably have to wait until the end of next week to see that chance go up again just a little bit. Temperature-wise tonight, not quite as mild with the lows in the mid-70s, 74 in Texarkana, 74 in Shreveport, 74 in Marshall. Daytime highs tomorrow should rebound back up into the mid to upper 90s across the north and the upper 90s across the south, right around 99 in Shreveport, 97 in Texarkana, 98 in Marshall, and 99 degrees for the high temperature tomorrow in Mount Pleasant. So a summary of the next 7 days here beginning in Shreveport, you're looking at temperatures easing back from the upper 90s tomorrow to the mid 90s for most of next week, right around 96, 97. Overnight lows will stay pretty steady in the mid 70s. Notice the low end, very low rainfall chances here from Monday through Friday. But again, most of us will stay dry. That'll hold true for Texarkana as well, although probably not quite as hot. Your daytime highs mainly in the mid-90s, right around 93, 94, 95. Overnight lows for you also will be in the middle 70s with very, very low rainfall chances for Texarkana as well. So all in all, it does look like we are going to continue with our hot weather pattern, our mainly dry weather pattern. But once we get through Saturday, temperatures try to return closer to normal for most of next week.